Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you are new around here, please subscribe and like the video. I would really appreciate it. And today in this video we are going to be looking at when me and Joe were building our very first home on wheels. Our camper van, our home, all of it all in one. So it was a horse box to start with. So we're gonna show you like how it looked with like the horse section in it and all of that, and basically showing you everything we pretty much did. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will let Pash Chelsea tell you what the build was like and how she's going on with it. So this is it. Those fences over there were in the front, and then the other bit was in the middle, separating me and Joe. There's a lot of bugs in here, so 2 windows, then this bit, and then the door. We're on day 2, and the floor is rotten, so we've got to go and get more wood. Yeah, I'd leave a gap so then the water can go down. So Joe's going to get more wood. The floor is rotten. And then I'm going to clean all of this.
Split the wood all the way around the screw.
Right.
Gonna get that big bit of wood off the back of it. Right. But we should be able to lift it up. One end drill.
A new floor.
It's a bit noisy, isn't it?
There's one in here, and then another one in here, and then that is our new floor.